The DM55 from Duracable Manufacturing is an industry mainstay sled-style drain cleaning machine suited to cleaning grease, roots, and other obstructions from 2 to 10-inch main lines and floor drains in industrial, commercial, and residential settings. The DM55 from Duracable is made in the USA and backed by an industry-leading 3-year warranty. Powered by a 3/4 horsepower motor and running at 175 RPM, the standard package comes with a removable power cable feed and return. The continuous weld double tube aluminum alloy frame allows the machine to operate in a horizontal or vertical position. A telescoping handle makes the machine easy to maneuver and store, and an integrated winch hook allows you to lift the machine with a loading ramp or crane. Whether you choose standard or wide wheels, the DM55 will fit through a narrow 30-inch doorway with room to spare. Standard safety features include a GFCI power source, internal wiring, and an air foot pedal. The DM55 is designed for a 26-inch reel, and you can choose a standard or jumbo poly reel or an open spoke metal reel. Standard machine packages come with 110 to 150 feet of 11/16-inch hollow core cable, but you can substitute 3/4-inch cable if that's your preference. All of our machines come with your choice of male, female, or slip joint end fittings. For every drain cleaning technician and sewer worker's big jobs in 2 to 10-inch drain lines, depend on the DM55 from Duracable to get the job done.